Hello my beauties, it's your girl Nails by Rey and welcome back to the channel. I hope y'all are having a beautiful day, and if you're new here, welcome to your new favorite nail channel. In today's video, I'm showing you how to do Gel X nails at home without a nail drill. Link in the description below to the press-on version of these nails on my Etsy store. So sit back, relax, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow me on my socials if you haven't already, and let's get on with the video. Alrighty, so I'm starting off with my nails bare. These are my nails right after I took off a set, so they're a little rough right now, but I am going to push back my cuticles with this cuticle pusher, and I'm gonna do so gently just to make sure that I'm pushing all that back. And I also like to use the reverse side. It's like a little scraper tool, and I use that to scrape off any like extra like gel or any other product that's on there just to roughen it up. I do go in with a hand file to go over the entire nail and file it at the end. The next thing I like to do is to use my 100 grit hand file to roughen up the nail. This helps for your nail tips to adhere well and stay on longer, and also just to get rid of any extra product you may have on your nails beforehand. I'm using a lint-free wipe. I got these off of Temu, and I'm using the 91% isopropyl alcohol to wipe off any of the extra dust that I created when I filed my nails. So I actually did that a little backwards. I should have used my buffing block on my nails right after I filed before I wiped off the dust with my isopropyl alcohol, but it's okay. You can just go back in and buff the nails, which is what I'm going to do gently to all of the nails that I just filed, and then I will go and wipe off the dust afterwards. So I'm going to go in with my nail prep dehydrator. You don't exactly need to use this exact nail prep dehydrator. You can just use alcohol like I had used before, but I am providing options. I do this with my polygel nails as well. I just brush it on and it dehydrates the nail immediately. So within like less than 10 seconds, you can see the nail drying up. Alright, so next I am using my nail primer. This will also help for your nails to last really long, so I like to do this when I have a nail set I want to keep on for several weeks. And when I apply this one, it's different from the nail prep dehydrator. I apply this and then I let it dry for a little bit, so I give it its time. It doesn't work as fast as dehydrator, but it is very effective. Alright, so the next step, I'm going to take off my UV protecting gloves and I'm going to apply 30 SPF sunscreen. I use this Black Girl sunscreen because it is the only one that works for me and my black skin, of course. So I put this on all the areas of my fingers where my UV protecting gloves do not cover. So really just the tips and part of by the cuticle area. I rub that in and then afterwards I put my gloves right back on. Alright, so you're probably wondering what happened to my right hand. This is a nail set that I did for a video I posted a week ago, and so I did the exact same nail prep on my left hand, and I'm going to continue doing this set on my left hand. So now to glue on my nail tips, I'm using this nail glue gel from a cart, and I'm going to just apply a little bit down the center of each of my full cover nail tips and then cure them underneath the nail lamp for 60 seconds. now I'm going to go in with my base coat and put a thin layer of this over all of my nails and cure it for 60 seconds under my nail lamp before I begin applying my gel polish color. So the gel polish color I'm using is this milky white shade from this brand I got off of Amazon, and I'm going to be applying 2 full coats of this to my nail and curing for 60 seconds in between each coat. Before I add the chrome powder, I'm going to add a no wipe soak off top coat to all of my nails and cure that for 60 seconds. And so doing this helps for the chrome powder to stick to the nail, and when I rub it in, it doesn't come out patchy and it looks really nice and shiny. chrome powder that I'm going to use today. It's so pretty. It's a very nice pearlescent chrome powder, and it comes with this sponge tool. So what I do is I grab a bit, because it can get a bit messy if you grab too much, and then I rub it across the nail, and I make sure to get every bit and corner of the nail before I move on to the next one. I'm going to go in with No Wipe Soak Off top coat again, and this one that I'm using is a top coat that I use specifically for chrome designs or any designs that have glitter on them, because the glitter can get on the brush and then it gets into the bottle, and then when you use it for another design that doesn't have glitter, that glitter transfers over. So this bottle is strictly my glitter top coat bottle. Also, after applying my top coat, I cured the nails for 60 seconds. So for the last step, I'm going to use this pen to add cuticle oil to my cuticles, and then I'm going to rub it in gently. Alrighty, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. I hope you guys loved how these nails came out and enjoyed this entire video. If you do, be sure to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you never miss any uploads from my channel. And I will see you in the next video.